Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce returns with Zappos step by step clearly. Understand your customers' needs and preferences. Conduct thorough market research to identify current trends. Gather feedback from customers about their shopping experiences. Analyze return data to pinpoint common reasons for returns. Enhance product descriptions with detailed sizing and fit information. Encourage customer reviews to provide real-life insights about products. Implement better photography to showcase products from multiple angles. Offer a virtual fitting room experience to help customers visualize fit. Provide clear return policies to set expectations upfront. Utilize augmented reality tools to allow customers to see products in their environment. Adapt your inventory based on sales data and return trends. Train your customer service team to assist with fit and style advice. Promote communication with customers throughout their shopping journey. Use targeted marketing campaigns to educate customers about new products. Leverage social media to engage with customers and address concerns. Create bundles or outfits to encourage purchases of complementary items. Implement loyalty programs to build long-term customer relationships. Analyze shipping methods and costs to reduce barriers for customers. Encourage customers to share their purchase experiences online. Regularly review and adjust your return policy based on customer feedback. Stay proactive by monitoring industry trends and competitor practices. Continuously innovate to enhance the overall customer shopping experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.